We are Fairbanks. From our office in the Netherlands, we build and manage worldwide open cloud infrastructure like OpenStack. This enables companies all over the world to become free of infrastructure and operational concerns. We help tech-aware enterprises such as telecommunication providers, universities, governmental agencies, research institutions, internet service providers, and software companies with technical migrations from 4G to 5G, introduce edge technologies, and regain market share. We do this with production-ready solutions like private cloud, container technology, network technology, and storage. With Fairbanks, you make use of the benefits of open-source standards in your production environment while avoiding the need for high-end infrastructure knowledge or vendor lock-ins. This helps you to provide a faster time to market, to improve customer experience, and to be ready to integrate artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, and industrial integration. Are you ready for open infrastructure?